Hello, I'm Jim Garvey. I'm here at the Fort Sanders Sevier Senior Center in Sevierville. What's very unusual about this is there's a little killdeer nest in the parking lot. Killdeer are closely related to the sandpiper and the snipe. Anyway, they'll build their nest along shorelines or in fields, in sandy areas, in rocky areas. Anyway, here's this little killdeer. I'll zoom in for her. She's sitting on her nest. If you get too close, she sounds an alarm. Anyway, notice the little white and black bands around their neck. That's how you can tell they're killdeer. Anyway, she's sitting on her nest. I'll get a little bit closer. There we go. There we go. There's her nest. See, they act like they're wounded when they leave their nest. What they're doing is they're trying to get the predators to follow them so they won't see the nest with the eggs. Anyway, see how she's doing? She's flapping her wings. It's a sort of way to lead the predators off, whether it's a fox or... There she is. There she's going. Anyway, they're beautiful birds. So another picture of the nest here. Those eggs blend in so much it's hard to find them. There they are. There, she's still trying to act like she's wounded. Yep. Isn't that something?